Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to enable Google Chats in Gmail. So to start with, navigate to your Gmail account. Then we're going to go to the Settings tab, which is the little cog in the top right-hand corner. Clicking on there, then we're going to go to See All Settings. From there at the top, you should see a bit that says Chat and Meet. I'm going to click on there. And this is where you can turn Google Chats on. So I'm just going to click next to the bit that says Google Chat, and then I'm going to save changes. So there, your page will refresh, and on the left-hand side, you can see chat. So when I click on there, you'll get taken to this page where you can start a chat with a colleague or friend, or you can browse the different spaces on Google and explore different apps and things for your workflows. So that's how to enable Google Chats in Gmail. If you have any questions, let me know under the video, and please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.